Now, Shirka, draw a line that passes through both poles.
Products. There are historic reasons for this.
The first reason is the enclosures, which is merely the empowered's euphemism for its appropriation of common land. Anywhere that was of agricultural or silvicultural use was nabbed by the aristocracy. That meant most of Britain. The geological and topological complexion of this country are peculiarly susceptible to industrial agriculture. The land is seldom precipitous, rarely mountainous. It's thus appropriate to large-scale production.
It is not by chance that the earliest implements of industrial agriculture derived from Norfolk, which has become the exemplar of all Britain's agriscapes. It's increasingly prairie, and outdoor factories without a roof, and no hedges to prevent the dissipation of topsoil. Agri-industry not only produces muck, it is not only an aesthetic blight, it is too environmentally degrading. The pursuit of short-term profit is already leading to long-term destruction. Greed and green are a single letter and many miles apart.